The 26624FT tablet drone is equipped with a touchscreen controller that doubles as an Android tablet, allowing users to download apps and enjoy multimedia entertainment. With its 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal, this drone captures stunning high-definition images and videos, enhanced by electronic image stabilization and a wide field of view. Featuring an impressive flight time of 82 minutes with 2 batteries, this drone offers extended recording sessions, making it ideal for capturing long-distance footage. The drone boasts a remarkable long-range capability of 5 miles and a maximum height of 2,624 feet, ensuring stable and uninterrupted image transmission. A variety of smart features such as payload release, night mode, and automatic return home enhance the drone's versatility and ease of use. Designed with safety in mind, this drone offers strong wind resistance and a low battery alarm, ensuring a reliable and enjoyable flying experience.